Our next topic is two angle of projection for the same horizontal range. Suppose the object is thrown with velocity u, making angle theta. This is range r1. According to the relation we know, u square by g sin 2 theta. This is equation number first. Now, the same object is thrown making an angle theta with the vertical like this. In the first case, angle theta with the horizontal. In the second case, angle theta is with vertical. Now, this is angle 90 minus theta. This is range R2. Now, we can write (90 minus theta) u square by g sin multiply by 2 180 minus 2 theta. According to the rules of trigonometry, sin 180 minus 2 theta, this is sin 2 theta. Equation number second. From first and second, we can write here u square by g sin 2 theta r1, u square by g sin 2 theta, this is r2. Therefore, we can say that r1 is equal to r2. Now, we can say if the angle theta is with horizontal, then range is r1. If the angle is 90 minus theta with the horizontal, then range r2. Therefore, we can say that r1 is equal to r2. So, now we can say that there is two angle of projection for the same range. For the range r1, angle is theta. For the range r2, that is 90 minus theta. Next topic is velocity of projectile at any time instant. Object is thrown with velocity u, making angle theta with the horizontal. After time t, particle is at the point P. At the point P, it has two velocities Vx and Vy. Along horizontal Vx, along vertical Vy. The resultant of Vx and Vy, that is V, which makes an angle beta with the horizontal. Now, according to triangle law of vector addition, we can write V is equal to under root Vx square plus Vy square. Along horizontal Vx, by first equation of motion, ux plus at. Along the horizontal, this is u cos theta. Along the vertical, u sin theta. So, Vx is equal to u cos theta. Along horizontal, acceleration is 0 because velocity is constant. So, we get Vx equal to u cos theta. Now, along vertical, Vy is equal to uy minus gt. Vy is equal to uy is u sin theta minus gt. This is the value of Vy. Put in equation number first, V is equal to under root. This is u cos theta whole square plus u sin theta minus gt whole square. V is equal to under root. Now, we can open this u square cos square theta a minus b whole square. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab sin theta 2u sin theta into gt. U square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is equal to 1. So, V is equal to under root u square plus g square t square minus 2u sin theta into gt. This is the required velocity. Now, the direction is tan beta perpendicular upon base Vy by Vx. Vy is equal to u sin theta minus gt. Vx is u cos theta. This is tan beta.